I think people look at manufacturing as, you're hands-on with the product, but there's so much other stuff that goes behind the curtains for manufacturing, whether it be quality assurance, planning, maintenance. There's so many other fields that support the manufacturing field that you could just go into manufacturing and then just expand from there and figure out what you want to do while you're doing the work. Most manufacturing jobs are learn on the floor, learn as you go. They're not, you need a 2-year degree to get there. You can go do manufacturing for 4, 5, 6 years. In those 6 years, you can learn more about the company, take advantage of maybe some of their schooling incentive programs, and then do something for that company too. So either move into like the lab, IT. What I really like about working here at Nature's Way is helping other people with our vitamins, supplements. I had zero knowledge of the warehouse, zero knowledge of production or packaging. They extended help, knowledge, and I'm here because of them pretty much. I think I'm most proud of simplifying things, whether it be ergonomics or just a process improvement. I don't think I'll ever stop learning in manufacturing. We went from square bottles, now we're going to amber bottles. There's always something changing, something new. You have to get comfortable being uncomfortable. I really enjoy challenging people, whether it be my own team, maintenance, engineering, my own leadership. I really enjoy what I do. I really like helping people, like improving, making people's lives easier, whether if it's like a process step of takes 10 steps, I like to make it smaller into like 2 steps for them, make their job easier, help them fix equipment and stuff like that. I do feel pride here at Nature's Way, not only by the product that we make, but the difference that I can make in everybody's lives, not only my team, but other teams that I interact with every single day.